Welcome to our deep dive into XRP, a digital asset that has captured the attention of both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. We're going to explore the ins and outs of this cryptocurrency, examining its origins, its purpose, and the technology that underpins it. XRP is the digital currency powering the XRP ledger, a decentralized cryptographic ledger. Think of it as the engine that drives a new kind of financial system. XRP was created by Ripple to revolutionize global payments, to fundamentally change how money moves around the world. Ripple envisioned a world where international transactions are seamless and efficient. The goal is making cross-border transfers as fast and cheap as sending an email. Imagine sending money across continents in mere seconds with minimal fees. Traditional international payments are slow and expensive. They often involve multiple intermediaries, each taking a cut and adding delays. This outdated system can take days to process a single transaction. XRP aims to change that with near-instant low-cost transactions, offering a modern alternative to these antiquated methods. It's about bringing global finance into the 21st century. What's fueling the current buzz? Why is everyone suddenly talking about XRP again? After years of legal uncertainty and stagnant prices, a period that tested the patience of even the most ardent supporters, XRP is showing strong momentum. There's a renewed sense of optimism in the air. The XRP Army community is energized, their belief in the project unwavering. They are believing real-world adoption is finally being recognized in the market, that the true potential of XRP is starting to be understood. Positive legal developments and renewed institutional interest have pushed XRP back into the spotlight, attracting attention from major players in the financial world. Today, we'll break down the key drivers behind XRP's rally, examining the factors that are contributing to its recent surge in value, and focus on a price target that's caught everyone's attention, a number that's generating a lot of discussion and speculation. $3. Is this target realistic? What stands in the way? What hurdles does XRP need to overcome to reach this ambitious goal? We'll analyze the data, technical indicators, looking at charts and patterns to understand the current market dynamics, and market sentiment in simple terms, breaking down complex concepts into easy-to-understand language. Our goal: give you a clear, data-driven understanding of XRP's current position, providing you with the information you need to make informed decisions. We'll look at XRP's price journey, tracing its ups and downs over time. The critical resistance at $2.20, a level that has proven difficult to break through in the past, and the tools traders use to gauge momentum, helping us understand the strength and direction of the current trend. By the end, you'll see why optimism is high, why so many people are bullish on XRP's future, and what it might take for XRP to hit that ambitious $3 mark, exploring the potential catalysts that could drive it to new heights. Let's dig into the facts, leaving no stone unturned in our quest for understanding, and see what the data tells us about this digital asset, separating hype from reality. Ready? Let's get started. To predict where XRP is potentially headed in the ever-evolving cryptocurrency landscape, we need to understand the forces that have shaped its recent trajectory. Let's quickly recap its recent history, examining the key events and market dynamics that have influenced its price action. XRP faced a tough legal battle, a significant headwind that impacted its performance for quite some time. This was primarily with the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission. This legal challenge led to delistings from major exchanges and significant price volatility, creating uncertainty for investors. While other cryptocurrencies soared to new heights, capitalizing on a broader market rally, XRP stagnated, frustrating long-term holders who had been patiently waiting for a breakout. However, the turning point finally came, marking a shift in sentiment and market perception. This turning point arrived with a favorable court ruling, a pivotal moment in XRP's journey. The ruling clarified that programmatic sales of XRP weren't securities, providing much-needed regulatory clarity. This legal clarity sparked a significant surge in price, reflecting renewed confidence in XRP's future. This also led to renewed exchange listings, making XRP more accessible to a wider range of investors. XRP broke through key resistance levels, signaling a potential shift in its long-term trend. This breakthrough signaled its comeback, attracting attention from both retail and institutional investors. After the initial rally, XRP consolidated, entering a period of sideways trading. This consolidation phase helped in building a strong support base, establishing a foundation for future growth. This was achieved even as the broader market wavered, experiencing its own periods of volatility and uncertainty. This consolidation set the stage for the current upward momentum, suggesting a potential continuation of the bullish trend. Now in mid-2025, XRP has broken out of its long-term range, a significant technical development. This breakout is fueled by renewed confidence in the project and rising trading volume, indicating strong market participation. The market is now valuing XRP's real-world utility, recognizing its potential for cross-border payments and other applications. This valuation is based not just on legal news, but on the fundamental value proposition of the technology. Financial institutions are revisiting Ripple partnerships, exploring potential collaborations and integrations. As a result, bullish sentiment is back, creating a positive feedback loop in the market. All eyes are now on the next big challenge, the key level that could determine the next phase of XRP's price action. That challenge is the $2.20 resistance, a level that has historically acted as a significant barrier. Can XRP break through this resistance and continue its climb, or will it face a setback? Only time will tell. The $2.20 mark isn't just another number, it's a major psychological and technical barrier for XRP. In the last bull run, many investors bought near this level and are waiting to break even, creating heavy selling pressure. This overhead supply acts like a wall as price nears $2.20. Sellers rush in, stalling momentum. Chart analysts and trading bots also target this resistance, reinforcing its strength. It becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Buyers hesitate, sellers get aggressive. For XRP to move higher, it must break $2.20 decisively, ideally with a surge in trading volume. A weak attempt could trigger a pullback and shake market confidence, but a strong breakout can flip $2.20 from resistance to support, setting the stage for the next rally. This level is the gateway to higher prices. The market is watching closely for a convincing move. Will XRP have the strength to break through? Let's talk about the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. It's a widely used momentum indicator that can provide valuable insights into potential price movements. Understanding how to interpret the RSI can significantly enhance your trading strategy. A key tool for traders. It's a cornerstone of technical analysis, helping traders identify potential buying and selling opportunities. RSI measures momentum, specifically the speed and change of price movements, showing if an asset is overbought or oversold, indicating potential reversal points, on a scale from 0 to 100. This standardized scale makes it easy to compare RSI values across different assets and timeframes. Readings above 70 suggest overbought conditions, meaning the asset may be due for a pullback or correction. Below 30 means oversold, suggesting the asset might be poised for a bounce or rally. For XRP, the current daily RSI is around 65, providing a snapshot of its current momentum. Strong buying momentum, but not yet overheated. This is generally considered a positive sign by technical analysts. This indicates a healthy rally, supported by consistent buying pressure, with room to run before hitting exhaustion. It suggests that the uptrend has the potential to continue further. If RSI stays below 70 as XRP approaches $2.20, a key resistance level, it's a bullish sign, suggesting the price could break through that resistance. But if RSI spikes above 70, signaling overbought conditions, while price stalls at resistance, indicating a potential struggle to break through, caution is warranted. It might be a sign of an impending pullback. Traders watch for these signals to gauge if a rally can continue or needs a breather, helping them make informed decisions. Right now, XRP's RSI suggests the uptrend is sustainable, offering a degree of confidence in its current trajectory. It's a positive sign for a potential breakout, indicating that XRP could soon make a significant move upward. RSI helps traders avoid chasing unsustainable moves, protecting them from potential losses and impulsive decisions. For now, momentum is on XRP's side, creating a favorable environment for further price appreciation. The next test, can it maintain this strength as it challenges resistance? This will be a crucial moment to watch for traders and investors alike. Another vital tool is the Simple Moving Average, or SMA. SMAs smooth out price data, revealing the underlying trend. Traders often use the 50-day and 200-day SMAs to spot medium and long-term trends. When price is above both, it signals an uptrend. Below means downtrend. A golden cross, when the 50-day SMA crosses above the 200-day, signals strong bullish momentum. Currently, XRP trades above both SMAs, confirming a healthy uptrend. The The 50-day SMA is acting as dynamic support, attracting buyers on dips. A recent golden cross has drawn institutional attention, reinforcing the bullish case. These technical signals provide a solid foundation for further gains. XRP's trend is strong. Now it needs to break resistance. Price action is important, but trading volume tells us how real the move is. High volume means strong conviction and broad participation, fuel for a sustainable rally. Recently, XRP's daily trading volume has surged across major exchanges. This confirms the rally is genuine, not just a few big players moving the price. High volume is crucial as XRP nears the $2.20 wall. Breaking it requires real buying power. On-chain data shows more holders are now in profit, reducing panic selling on dips. Profitable holders are more likely to hold for higher prices, stabilizing the market. Rising volume and more profitable holders create a positive feedback loop. This strengthens the rally and improves the odds of a breakout. The market is primed for a major move. Will the volume be enough to push XRP higher? XRP doesn't move in isolation. The broader crypto market, led by Bitcoin, sets the tone. When Bitcoin rallies, it lifts the entire market, including altcoins like XRP. Right now, Bitcoin is strong and positive sentiment is drawing new investors into crypto. This rising tide benefits high-quality projects, and XRP stands out with its legal clarity and real-world use case. Historically, capital flows from Bitcoin to large-cap altcoins, then to projects like XRP. As investors look beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum, XRP is a prime candidate for new capital. However, a sharp Bitcoin correction could halt XRP's rally, regardless of its own momentum. Traders must watch Bitcoin's chart closely. As long as the broader market stays bullish, XRP has a supportive backdrop. The stage is set for significant price appreciation if the market holds up. So, what must happen for XRP to hit $3? First, a decisive breakout above $2.20, confirmed by a strong daily close and high volume. The former resistance must turn into new support, validated by a successful retest. This gives traders confidence and sets a new, higher trading range. The path from $2.20 to $3 has fewer barriers, but momentum must be sustained. RSI should remain strong but not overbought, and SMAs should keep trending upward. Positive news, like new partnerships or regulatory wins, can accelerate the move. These catalysts attract long-term investors, fueling a sustained rally. The combination of technical strength and fundamental progress is key. If all these elements align, XRP's run to $3 becomes much more likely. The roadmap is clear. Break resistance, confirm support, and maintain momentum. The next few weeks will be critical. The big question: when could XRP reach $3? Exact timing is impossible, but current trends suggest it's a matter of when, not if the market stays healthy. In a bullish scenario, XRP could test $2.20 within weeks and reach $3 by late Q3 2025. A more conservative outlook sees multiple tests of resistance, with $3 possible in Q4 2025. The timeline depends on a confirmed breakout, sustained volume, a strong crypto market, and positive Ripple news. Investors should watch these signposts closely. The first milestone is conquering $2.20. Data shows XRP is well positioned for this attempt. Whether it happens sooner or later this year, the current setup is the most bullish in years. The journey to $3 is underway. Now it's about execution.